Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to convert your Bitcoin into good old British pounds using Coinbase. In this video, we're focusing on the 2025 updates, which make the process even smoother and more secure. Whether you're cashing out for everyday expenses or just experimenting, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up. If you don't, head to the Coinbase website or app and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see your portfolio, including your Bitcoin holdings. Step 1. Locate your Bitcoin in the Assets section. Click on it to open your wallet details. Now, look for the Trade or Convert option. Coinbase has made this really intuitive in 2025 with a new quick access menu. Select Convert to start the process. Next, choose Bitcoin as the asset you're converting from, and then select GBP as your target currency. You'll see the current exchange rate, which fluctuates based on market conditions, so keep an eye on that. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, and Coinbase will show you the estimated GBP you'll receive after fees. Before you confirm, double-check for any transaction fees. In 2025, Coinbase offers lower fees for verified users, so make sure your account is fully verified with ID and payment methods. Hit Confirm to execute the conversion. It usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, your GBP will appear in your Coinbase GBP wallet. If you want to transfer it to your bank, go to the Withdraw section and link your bank account. Remember, always be cautious with crypto. Prices can change rapidly, and there are risks involved. There you have it. That's how to convert Bitcoin to GBP on Coinbase in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and happy trading. Thanks for watching.